Here we are on Monday. We're loading up at First Baptist Briggs. We should have a good day of cycling today. But we all slept in the fellowship hall, and it was good. Went to bed early, got up early, and we got a good day. All right, we're about to head out of Briggs, and some are shooting for a century ride today. We'll see how that works out. We'll see. All right, we're getting ready. We got a little farm to market road, which it's not going to be too crowded. If it is, we'll just skip it and get on up to Good There's some more cycling shadows. We've passed under 35. And we're heading to Bartlett, waiting for the wind to turn around to our back. We just had our first taste of a tailwind. Got us rolling along at 30. We'll turn the corner. 3 miles, we'll turn the corner. This is downtown Bartlett. Kind of a pretty western thing. We just came into Bell County. We're looking for our right-hand turn to have the wind behind us. So we're also looking for a gas station to go to the bathroom. So 40-mile rest stop in Taylor. Get some clothes off, it's just got too hot. It's trying to say. And we'll see you in 10 for the dance party. There it is. We're rolling along at 25, heading into Elton. There's Mitchell back there. So besides the fact that we've ridden 50 miles, we're loving the wind and loving this particular shoulder right here. It is a 58.5 mile dance party in Elgin at the gas station. I'll forget. Here we sit at a traffic light in Bastrop, Texas. Don't often get to do this in life, but here we are. So we're making good progress. The Century folks are getting up there. But this is a Smiley water tower in Bastrop. That's not the first one we've seen. Very friendly. Here we are at the top of the hill. Here are cycling shadows again, but this is the end of the day. So we've been on the bikes for a good long while. But we are closing in on 100 miles. So one of those rare days. Good day. You did it! That's 100 miles. That's a 100-mile face. And another 100-mile face. And a 75-mile face, and Haley had a record face there, so she had 40-something today, so we had a big day. Alright, that's the end of the day. We are right here in LaGrange at the courthouse, and Jessica was a monster today, cycling all these miles. Here we are at the Yachtslaw House. Just had some wonderful chicken and potatoes and green beans and rolls. We're about to have some cobbler, and we're going to watch Alabama beat Georgia soundly, stress-free.